Hi, and welcome to Friday Doodle Club.
I'm Brenda.
I'm Sandra.
I'm Jen.
I'm Masha.
And we are
Friday Doodle Club.
Friday Doodle Club is a weekly art challenge that takes place over on Instagram.
Every week, we set a prompt consisting of 3 words, and people are invited to create a piece of art based on those prompts.
We started the club as a way of helping keep our work fresh and our ideas flowing. We're really enjoying the journey, and we're so glad that so many of you guys are enjoying it too.
We have loads of ideas about how we can make Friday Doodle Club even better. And we hope with your donation, we will be able to bring some of them into reality.
For starters, we're planning to purchase a Zoom account so we can host a monthly doodle chat where we join you guys for a little chat about doodles, art, and whatever we like.
Make sure you sign up for our newsletter to keep updated and visit www.fridaydoodleclub.com for all the info.
Bye. It's great to meet you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.